falling gently, and the family gathers near. Mom's laughter fills the room. Joy is all we hear. Dad is trimming branches while the children sing along. We're gathered round the tree tonight to share in love so strong. Gather near, come and hear the story we adore. A Savior born in Bethlehem, a love forevermore. Hearts alight, warm and bright, with family by our side. We celebrate this holy night with hope and joy worldwide. Aunts are baking cookies, and the scent fills every room. Uncles telling stories, children smiling through the gloom. Carols softly playing as we decorate with cheer. We kneel and pray to thank the Lord for love that's always here. Gather near, come and hear the story we adore. A Savior born in Bethlehem, a love forevermore. Hearts alight, warm and bright, with family by our side. We celebrate this holy night with hope and joy worldwide. We look upon the manger where a baby softly lay, a gift from heaven sent to us to lead us on our way. The star above it led us here to cherish and to see the birth of hope that's come to stay, the birth of our true King. Gather near, come and hear the story we adore. A Savior born in Bethlehem, a love forevermore. Hearts alight, warm and bright, with family by our side. We celebrate this holy night with hope and joy worldwide. Candles softly glowing, and the night is calm and still. We hold our loved ones closer, and our hearts begin to fill with blessings sent from heaven. And our gratitude we say, Merry Christmas to all near and far. May love forever